Okay, I want to show you how to make it easier to do your PEAD forms. So you're going to log into Zip Forms, go across this to contacts. Once you're in contacts, you're going to hit new. You're going to put in your person's name, first name, last name, mickeymouse@gmail.com. Okay, then you're going to come up to category, and under category, you're going to select signer 1, signer 2, or signer 3. Now, signer 1 and signer 2 both are in the first two fields, obviously. Signer 3 is for you. It will put your name in the agent field. And you save your person. You go into your transactions. You're going to do a new. I have templates, so it's going to put all of my forms in automatically when I create a new transaction. All right, so then you're gonna go to documents, into the coronavirus form, the e-sign, right up here. I usually title it the name of the address that we're going to see, because there's so many. And then, okay, so here's the trick. When you get to this part, instead of transaction parties, you're going to go to Zip Form Contacts, and under Role, that is where signer 1, signer 2, you know, it's weird. It kind of does this. Where's Mickey Mouse? Okay, Mickey Mouse is here. So I'm gonna type in signer 1 under Mickey Mouse. Okay, and then it's going to let me select Mickey Mouse and signer 1. My name is in here, so I'm gonna put signer 3 because I want to show you what happens and the parts that do not get filled in, the parts that do and do not get filled in automatically for you. Okay, so we're gonna hit next, and then it's going to load the PEAD form with most of the signatures and dates that you need. All right, so at this point, I would add the property address in. So signer 1, the initials are there. Signer 3, the initial is there. And down here, signer 1, the signature and the date. Signer 3, the signature and the date. I'm not sure why his name didn't show up. Typically it does show up under signer 1. So this part right here does still require you to go under your own name, select initial, and then put your initial that you've gotten a copy of the signed PEAD form. So that's the thing that it doesn't fill in automatically, but that is basically how you do it. Okay, so now if I close this and I go back, I'm gonna try it again and see if it actually has saved Mickey Mouse's name as signer 1. Oh, Zip Form Contacts. It's a new thing to get. Mickey Mouse, it did not save him as signer 1. So sometimes you might have to go back in and under Role, you might have to change it from listing or client or buyer to signer 1, signer 2, and you are always going to be signer 3. But that really does take some of the time and some of the pain out of doing these many PEAD forms. So I hope that helps.